The law of attraction is a powerful tool that has been used by many people to manifest their desires into reality. It is based on the idea that we can attract anything we want into our lives by focusing on positive thoughts and feelings, and by visualizing what we want as if it has already happened. If you want to learn how to get anything by the law of attraction, there are a few key steps you can follow. Get clear on what you want. The first step in using the law of attraction is to get clear on what you want. This means being specific about your goals and desires, and visualizing them in as much detail as possible. Write down your goals and create a vision board to help you visualize them. Believe it is possible. Believing that you can achieve your goals is a crucial step in using the law of attraction. You must have faith that what you want is possible, and that the universe will help you manifest it. If you have any doubts or negative thoughts, you will sabotage your efforts. Focus on what you want, not what you don't want. It's important to focus your thoughts and energy on what you want, not what you don't want. When you focus on negative thoughts or what you don't want, you attract more of that into your life. Instead, focus on positive thoughts and feelings, and visualize yourself already having what you want. Take action. While the law of attraction is a powerful tool, it is not a magic wand. You still need to take action to make your dreams a reality. Take small steps towards your goals every day, and trust that the universe will help you along the way. Be grateful. Gratitude is a powerful force that can help you attract more of what you want into your life. Be grateful for what you already have, and focus on the positive aspects of your life. This will help you stay in a positive mindset and attract more positive experiences. Trust the universe. Finally, it's important to trust the universe and let go of any attachment to the outcome. When you trust that the universe has your best interests at heart, you can relax and allow things to unfold naturally. In conclusion, the law of attraction is a powerful tool that can help you manifest your desires into reality. By getting clear on what you want, believing it is possible, focusing on positive thoughts and feelings, taking action, being grateful, and trusting the universe. So go ahead and start manifesting your dreams today.